Hello guys, I'm Mike from Money Work Media, and in this video I will show you how to do dropshipping on Amazon. Ever thought about Amazon dropshipping? It's a solid idea. Amazon is one of the world's most recognizable brands, after all. It leads the ranking of the most popular shopping apps in the United States, with 150.6 million mobile users accessing the Amazon app. Ready to level up and hold your own stock? Buy wholesale products on Handshake, a wholesale marketplace built by Shopify. On top of that, there's strong trust and fierce customer loyalty among Amazon shoppers. By dropshipping on Amazon, you can leverage that trust for your own brand. And if you have a Shopify store, it's easier than ever with the addition of the Amazon sales channel. It might seem daunting, but you can have a smooth experience dropshipping with Amazon once you know the rules and basic process. That's just what we'll do in this Amazon dropshipping guide. Without further ado, let's get started. What is dropshipping? Before discussing Amazon dropshipping, let us give you a quick refresher how dropshipping works in general. Dropshipping is the process of selling a product without the responsibility of carrying inventory or shipping the goods. The product manufacturer is responsible for manufacturing the product, maintaining inventory and shipping the goods to the customer. Your job as a dropshipper is to maintain an online store where you handle everything customer related, from taking their orders, placing those orders with your supplier, and managing customer service. What is Amazon? Amazon is one of the biggest e-commerce websites in the world. It grew in popularity because it allows retailers to sell their products on their platform. Manufacturers and brands are able to sell on Amazon as an additional sales channel for their stores. You'll be able to start selling on Amazon right after you're approved for an Amazon seller account. You'll be able to start selling on Amazon. Just keep in mind that not all brands and products get approved. What is Amazon dropshipping? So, how exactly do you start dropshipping on Amazon? You can dropship on Amazon through their Fulfilled by Amazon program. In this program, you ship your products to Amazon where they carry the inventory and ship directly to your customers. The benefit of this program is that Amazon has some of the fastest shipping times on the market, so your customers get their products even sooner. If there's one thing we've learned from the 21st century, it's that customers love fast delivery times. How to dropship on Amazon. 1. Choose an e-commerce platform. As Shopify recently partnered with Amazon, using their e-commerce platform would be ideal. Shopify allows users to add Amazon as a sales channel to simplify managing orders on both platforms. 2. Sell the right products. There are several requirements and restrictions for store owners who want to sell their product on Amazon. According to Amazon's list of eligible stores, you can open up an Amazon store without approval if you're in a niche like books, computer and video games, electronics, office products and the like. Take a peek at Amazon's list of restricted products to make sure you're not in any of these categories. These items include things like hoverboards and dangerous goods. 3. Create an Amazon seller account. If you plan on selling a high volume of products, it's best to have a professional account. In the individual selling plan, you're charged 0.99 cents per item sold, which can eat away at your margins. Keep in mind that you'll also need to offer competitive pricing and the occasional discount, while still ensuring you make a large enough profit to reinvest in the business. So watch your margins. With a professional seller account, you pay a subscription each month, as well as a few additional fees. You'll want to register with your email on Amazon Seller Central. Then, you'll need to fill out your name, email, and password. You'll then need to provide more details about your business, such as address and tax information. 4. Get approved in your product category. As I mentioned earlier, certain niches and product types require Amazon approval. Fashion, beauty, and jewelry are some of the popular niches that require approval before starting up your Amazon store. You can view the specific approval requirements for each category. 5. Set up your Amazon account on Shopify. Once you've been approved and your account is created, connect your Amazon account to your Shopify store. On the left panel in your Shopify account, scroll down to Sales Channels and click the plus button beside it. You'll have a pop-up come up. Amazon should be the first item on the list. Click Add Channel. Then, continue with Connect to Amazon. 6. Start dropshipping from Amazon to Shopify. Click on the Amazon Sales Channel link, see Shopify's left panel. Click Create Listing. Next, click Select Product. You'll see two options. If your brand makes the product, you'll need to make sure you purchase UPC codes. But as a dropshipper, you'll click on the second option, this product is made by another brand. Next, you'll be able to search for the product to become a seller for that SKU. Once you've found the product, click Select. Lastly, you'll need to click Publish to finish the process. 7. Have Shopify track inventory. Make sure that Shopify tracks inventory levels. This ensures that when a customer orders on Amazon, the product is still in stock. Make sure you don't allow customers to order products that are out of stock. This can lead to negative reviews and some extra customer service time you didn't plan on spending. 8. Start promoting your Amazon store. You won't get any sales if nobody knows about your store, right? The next step is to send traffic to it. Be sure to promote your store on any social channels you have. You can also create Amazon ads to help bring in some new eyeballs and boost sales.